how to download and play Minecraft on PC or laptop for free. So if you want to download and play Minecraft on your PC or laptop for free, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser and search for Minecraft. Once you search for Minecraft, you just need to simply go with www.minecraft.net, which will take you to the website, or you can just go with download, which is right here. Click on download, which will take you to the download interface. Now, you just need to simply click on download launcher for Windows 10 or 11, or you can just go with the website. And once you're on the website, you need to go with Get Minecraft, which is right here on the bottom left. And here on the right side, you will have an option to download. So you can simply go with download, and if you scroll down, then here you will have the option of download now. You can simply click on download now and it will start the downloading process, and you will be able to install the Minecraft for free on your PC or laptop. So that's how you can download and install and play Minecraft. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.